Floodwater rising fast across the Savannah metro as Debby moved through, and some people are still impacted by that flooding today. First Alert meteorologist Cutter Martin joins us from Pooler, Georgia with some of the current conditions.
Wave after wave of rain continues to fall here in Pooler, a suburb of Savannah, about 15 miles to the west of Savannah. The problem, downpours left behind plenty of water that still hasn't drained from more than 48 hours ago, trapping some of these residents inside this Barrington Estates subdivision, especially lowest lying portions of the subdivision. Some of these folks barely made it home before the water started rising.
I came home from work yesterday around like 12 and it wasn't like this at all. And then it just rapidly approached in the next few hours. So by 7 o'clock last night, this was what it was like. And I was thinking if I got off work at the normal time that I usually do, I never would have made it back into my house.
Now, Elaine has been in her home since early Monday afternoon. Quite a while to be trapped in your home without being able to leave. There is good news. It's subtle, but it's good. Water slowly starting to go down in this Barrington Estates neighborhood, and you can see there's actually a whirlpool just below that street light. That is a sewer right there. I can see it just below the water. Water finally draining. That is the most drainage this neighborhood, at least this street and this neighborhood, has seen in about 48 hours. Rain continues to fall, but it's lighter. It's slow improvement, but it is improvement here across the Savannah metro. Some still having to battle water as safely as they can do so to get to work because life must go on. Unfortunately, some do have property damage in this neighborhood, likely filing insurance claims. Losses will be significant across the Savannah metro once all is said and done. Reporting in coastal Georgia, Cutter Martin, Atlanta News First.